Hello, my zombies. So we are back. Third episode, and let me discuss something about the knowledge systems now. Most of the what people say knowledge, no. If you just keep going, either using like logic, sort of logic, cut, cut, in the base you realize like what a philosopher called it's like an axiom, which is a belief which is kind of accepted as a fact. It's always there in any knowledge system. If you have the intellect to go deep, that's it. Rest, it's a stupidity only, anyways. Human beings want to become gods. We will solve the universe. We will tell you how it works. Okay, you will tell us how it works, huh? What else? Nothing else. But it's going to happen. I mean, how far they will run, you know? How far they will hide that they are calling their beliefs as fact. They cannot hide. Truth cannot be hidden, no? You cannot hide it. Like I read watching a video in which a guy was discussing like why Saturn is not an conscious being. And some stupid arguments people give, like it doesn't have a control center, it doesn't have a, because they think like what you call mind has to be a centralized system, which is a stupidity in itself. Because if you go by the modern physics only, like you realize that in a sense that even an atom has a mind. What is mind? Mind means like it knows how to adapt, it knows how to, like how does chemical reactions occur, because the atom or a molecule has a mind, right? It has an understanding. Yeah, it's all what you call like anthropomorphic projection, like projecting, assuming that you are the conscious being, and then every conscious thing has to be a replica or has to somehow in design follow the same pattern as the human. So that's again an assumption only. But who tells these stupid people, no? They dress like coats and jackets and they sit and like serious. No, I will tell you why Saturn is not an alive being. See, we have analyzed these molecules for thousands of years, and like this, and the data is like telling us like this is not happening. And the same like 10 years, the same guys, they were like, oh no, we were very wrong. But now we know the truth. Now, next Nobel Prize will be mine. This is very good. We have done all the research and everything. Every molecules I have analyzed. My God, these guys are just good at sounding confident, and people think like because the guy is so serious that it must be truth. They don't realize that most of the people who sound serious are actually they don't know, because they are insecure. That's why they are so serious. Someone who knows the truth, they don't need to be serious because they know it. Because you are hiding your incomplete knowledge, so that's why you have to be very serious. It's say like pretending like you are like that. But be serious. But all of that also we will break through all this, like even the tiny brick by brick we will do it. the philosophical argument, what we call like darshan in Hindi, the scientific arguments, what they do. It's very easy actually to see, but robots, trained robots, there's no difference between them and AI. Saturn is not alive. Saturn is Shanidev, bro. He has a register. He loads everything. Where will you run when the truth will be right in your face? How will you run then? Saprao hello. Saprao 0011. No photograph. What is the meaning of Saprao? Saprao. People make all sorts of things these days. Gen Z is like meaningless words. Very good at making. Just sitting. If you have any question, discussions, we can do that. Or we can just be happy. I'll share one more observation, which is like what stops the quest for knowledge? And this is, I'm not going on any, belief or anything. Just use your logic and just cut through things. What stops it? Generally, what stops are the romantic stories that you have created around it. And then you, for a day or two, you keep looping in that romantic story. And then somehow you realize, oh my God, my focus was to evaluate this. Then you come back again. But that is like a trip, a loop it will take you. And that is all part of the ego only. Because ego is like, okay, so let's say you are reading some book and some knowledge. And in between ego will be like, oh, you are gaining a lot of knowledge, sir. You are becoming very intelligent. Something is gonna happen, so it will take you in this loop, and that loop will stop you